Hey, so if you want to go beyond just basic file sharing and actually use WeTransfer like a pro, yeah, there are a few simple tricks that can make your workflow faster and much more professional. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step. First, always organize your files before uploading. Give them clear names and group them properly so the person receiving them understands everything easily. Next, use the Get Link option instead of email when you want more flexibility. This allows you to share your files across different platforms like chat, social media, or even project tools. If you're sending files via email, yeah, make sure to include a short and clear message so the receiver knows what the files are about. You can also track delivery by using the email option, since WeTransfer sends notifications when files are delivered and downloaded. Keep your files optimized by removing anything unnecessary so you stay within size limits and upload faster. Always use a stable internet connection because interruptions can cause uploads to fail or slow down. For larger projects, yeah, try splitting your files into multiple transfers instead of sending everything at once. And finally, always keep a backup of your files so you can resend them anytime if needed. So, yeah, that's how to use WeTransfer like a pro. Once you apply these tips, your file sharing becomes faster, smoother, and way more professional.